Today is National Cabbage Day. Now, wait a minute, before you scroll away and go, I don't really care for cabbage. Cabbage is a very cool vegetable, all right? You can do a lot with cabbage. But let's face it, when you look for cabbage recipes online or YouTube or whatever, they break down into three main categories, right? Fermented or pickled, like kimchi, not gonna do that though. Or stuffed, which can be very good, but I'm not gonna do that. Or some sort of slaw, which I'm not gonna do either. So now you're wondering, well, what am I gonna do? I'm actually not gonna do anything. What I'm gonna do though, is I'm gonna introduce you to one of my favorite cabbage recipes, not by me, but by Helen Rennie. I am a big Helen Rennie fan. I love her recipes. I love the way she teaches. I love her style. And I came across this recipe about a year ago, and I thought, wow, that sounds really good because it had porcini. And I love porcini because I grew up with porcini. So I made the recipe and it was so good and everybody in my family liked it. I made it again. And then 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 I thought, well, what's the point in me doing something? I love that recipe so much. I'm just gonna introduce everybody to that recipe. So the link is in the description. I would highly suggest that you click on it now and take a look. And I don't know, he and I will figure something out together.